I'm Edwin from Cooper & Hunter, a Tropic supply partner, and I'd like to invite you to join the Tropic Like It's Hot video contest. You have until October 15th to submit a brief video, just 2 minutes or less, featuring one of your favorite Cooper & Hunter products for a chance to win a $1,000 Tropic Supply gift card. Just for submitting, you'll get a free Tropic Like It's Hot t-shirt and a Tropic Supply cooling face mask shield. And submitting is easy. Videos can be uploaded on the Tropic Supply website, which would be directly below, from your cell phone, so why not? Videos should be shot in landscape format, so turn that cell phone sideways, and it should be taken during installation of a Cooper & Hunter unit. All you need is to tell us what you like most about the unit that you're installing, and why Cooper & Hunter was the best solution for the job. Are you converting a home central AC to a multi-zone mini-split system? Or changing a garage into a living space? Tell us why mini-splits was the best solution for you. And don't forget to mention the top 3 things you like most about working with Tropic Supply. For us, we value our partnership because their staff is always professional and they have great geographical coverage with the best team in Florida. We look forward to receiving your genuine feedback from real industry professionals, so head to the contest.tropicsupply.com for contest rules and submit now. I look forward to seeing your videos.